Good morning, everybody. How are you? Fine? Okay. So, babies, here I am back with my EVS class. Okay. So, can you see some pictures behind me? Yes? Okay. So, let's begin first with the date. So, what is today's date? Today is 8th September 2020. 8th September 2020 and day is Tuesday. Day is Tuesday. So babies, we are doing a new concept today. Okay. So and the concept is one and many. One and many. So tell me, how many suns do you see in the sky? Many or one? Only one sun is there in the sky. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Now tell me, how many moons are there? 5, 6, 7? No. We have got only one moon. But tell me, how many stars are there in the sky? One? No. There are many. There are many stars. So many stars, we cannot count them also. Yes, so when we have got only one thing, means only singular, we can say it singular, only a single thing. If we have only single thing, we can call it singular. But if we have got more than one thing, can you see how many cat is there? Only one cat. Only one cat. Okay, so we have got only one cat here. So can you read this? Read. Now you know how to read. Read cat, cat. Yes? Read it again. Cat, cat. So we have got only one cat here. But if we have more than one cats here, so how we'll say? If we'll call it cat? No. Why? Because if we have got only one thing, then only we'll say it cat. But we have got more than one cats here, so we have to add s and at the end of the word. See how we are doing it? Here we have got only one cat, so there is no s. But here we have got more than one cat. We will write ka. You know the spelling? At. Ka at. Cat. But here we have more than one cat. So if we have got more than one cat, we have to add s behind. Sir. We have to add sir behind. Now it becomes ka ats cats. Ka ats cats. So if we have got many things, we have to add s. Which letter we have to add? S. Sir. We have to add sir at the end. Yes? Okay. Now you see, how many rats are there? Only one rat. See, what is the color of this rat? Brown. Yes? Okay. But here, how many rats we have? We have more than one. So we'll call it many. What do we call it? Many. Many rats. So if we have many things, we have to put s. R, a, t. R at a rat. But is it correct? No, because we have many rats here. So I have to add s. I have to add sir at the end. Now you read this word. R at rats. One rat, but many rats. One cat, but many cats. Okay. Now, what is this? Read this word. Per, short sound, e, per, in a pin. How many pins are there? Only one pin. Only one pin. But here, how many pins you can see? Many. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have more than one pin. So which letter we have to add at the end? S. So now write, say with the spelling. P E N, and which letter will come? S. P in pins. One pin, many pins. Okay. Now see, what is this? It's a burger bun. Do you like to eat? Yes. See, so there are so many healthy things inside. You can see cheese is there, broccoli is there. So there are many healthy things that you can eat. Okay. So here we have got only one bun. But do you want to eat more buns? Yes. So this side we have more than one bun. Then if we have more than one bun, it will become buns. Now say B A N S, buns. What is this? Mug. Okay, and only one mug is there. Okay, but here we have got 1, 2, 3. We can be having more mugs also. So here we have to add S. So how we are going to write? Mugs. M A G, and which letter will come to make it many? Which letter? S. M A G S. Mugs. Yes? Okay. Now tell me, how many dogs are there? Only one. Only one dog. But here we have got more than one dog. So which letter will come at the end? S. So we'll write the og and s. The ogs are dogs. Pen. P-N, pen. Only one pen. But here we have more than one pen. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have got 5 pens here. So I will say pens. What will I say? Pens. Okay. So now see me the spelling. P-E-N-S. Pens. Yes. Okay. Now what is this? Do you eat it? Egg. What is this? Egg, and it is very healthy. So there we have got only, here we have got only one egg. Only one egg. But here we have many eggs. So what will I say? Eggs. Okay. So I have to put s at the end. A, g, and last s. Eggs. So now we know the concept of one and many. Yes or no? You know? Let's do it one more time. One cat but many cats. One rat but many rats. One pin but many pins. One bun, many buns. One mug, many mugs. One dog, many dogs. One pen but many pens. One egg but many eggs. So now do you understand the concept of one and many? Yes? Okay. So babies, do you remember the primary colors and secondary colors? Yes or no? Remember? Just let's revise. What are primary colors? Primary colors are red, blue and yellow, and that we cannot, these colors we cannot get by mixing other colors. Yes, and we have done many colors, and last time we were doing brown color. So do you remember how do we get brown color? Which two color makes brown color? Orange and black. Orange and black. If we mix orange with black, we get brown color. If we want darker shade of brown, so we have to get, if we want lighter brown shade, you have to take more of the orange and less of black. If you want to get dark shade of brown, then you have to get little less of orange color and more of black color, so you will get darker shade. Okay, so this activity we have done. Yes, there are so many things we get, like this is a brown bear, walnut, soil, almonds, jute bag and kangaroo. Okay, color the nut brown. So this activity you have done, yes or no? Yes. Okay, now today we are going to do one fun activity from this same book, from the same book. So this is the activity. Okay, now let's first what we have to do, we have to write down today's date. So what is today's date? Today is 8th September 2020. Okay, grade is prep and you will write down your name here. Now let's read the instructions. Okay, just read it. Dip your thumb, this is our thumb, dip your thumb in brown watercolor and imprint it inside the image to color it. So we have to color this with the brown thumbprint. Okay, so how we are going to do? So which two color makes brown color? Orange and red. If we mix both of them together, we will get brown color. So what is the activity saying? We have to dip our thumb inside in the color watercolor, which is brown, and then we have to imprint it on the picture. Okay, so how we are going to do? This is our picture, and then you have to imprint your thumbprint here, this way. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this way we are going to complete here this activity, this way. Which color is this? Brown color. And how do we get brown color? With the mixing of two colors, that is orange and black. Orange and black. Yes or no? Okay, so we are done with this activity. Okay, tell me, you are going to do this activity at home? Yes. So this is page number 61. Which page number? Page number 61. And which book? Book's name is Colors and Shapes. Colors and Shapes. So this activity we are going to do in this book. Okay, and in our notebook, in our EVS notebook, we are going to do one and many. So babies, here you will write today's date. What is today's date? 8th September 2020 CW. And which day is today? Tuesday. Okay, so here this is the concept one and many. Our new concept one and many that you are going to do in your EVS notebook. Okay, so babies, this is all for today. Have a nice day.